Courtney Matlick with Stahl's CAD-CUT Direct. Summer is heating up, and our recent launch of CAD-CUT Glitter Flake in the color white couldn't have better timing. This year, along with your summer holidays, there'll be additional opportunities to embellish your customers in red, white, and blue to show their patriotism for the World Cup games. And what better way to show that than sparkle and shine with multicolored bling designs in Glitter Flake? Let's take a look at how you can create 2, 3, and 4 color designs with CAD-CUT Glitter Flake White mixing in other colors. For our first design, I'm going to use a blue garment. This way I can create a red, white, and blue design using only 2 colors of Glitter Flake. Preheat to remove any of the moisture and wrinkles. And then I'll lay down my first color. When creating multicolored designs, I recommend changing the application to limit your first application. I'll change this to 5 seconds. It'll make it easier for me to line up my second color. Peel the carrier, and then I can line up my second color. Again, that shortened application just makes it easier for me to be able to line up my second color because it reduces any shrinking in the application. Since I have Glitter Flake exposed, I'm just going to put a cover sheet over and seal for the full 15 seconds. This will ensure the application is going to go through both layers of Glitter Flake and have a durable garment. Peel the carrier on the red, and you have a completed red, white, and blue design. For my second design, I'm going to create a 3-color graphic with red, white, and blue. All of the designs created for this were created in CADWorks Live using a trapping technique. Since Glitter Flake's not able to be directly layered, I've created gaps in all of my artwork like you can see here in the USA so the other glitter colors can fall in and still touch the fabric on the garment. Again, I'll press that for 5 seconds. Tacking down my first layer, and then I'll go over with my second color of the USA. Along with white Glitter Flake, I'm also using the bright blue color here, which gives you more of a vibrant royal blue in the glitter. Again, I'll grab my heat printing cover sheet to cover the Glitter Flake. Tack it down for 5 more seconds to get the second color on. And then I'll go over for the full application with the red. After the full application, I can peel the last color. You can see I have a 3-color design. For my last design, I'm going to increase the color count to 4 colors. This way I can add an extra outline color to make the glitter really pop. I'll load my garment on and do my preheat to remove any moisture and wrinkles. And I'll line my bottom layer, which is going to be the outline of my design. I went ahead and used a silver, which is our hologram silver in the Glitter Flake color for this, just to create more of a subtle outline that still makes the colors pop. Press this for the 5 seconds. Peel the carrier. And then since I have 3 other colors left, I'm going to actually apply the red and the blue together since they won't overlap in my design. When doing multicolored designs, you can do multiple colors as long as the carrier isn't in place of the vinyl. Cover sheet should cover the Glitter Flake that's exposed. Seal for 5 more seconds, and then we can do our final color. Peel the carrier one last time, and we have a completed red, white, and blue design that can be used for soccer or any holiday events this year. So there you have it. More ways to heat up your sales this summer using CAD-CUT Glitter Flake in red, white, and blue. To order or for more information, you can visit us online at cadcutdirect.com.